Google has launched its most advanced model, Gemini 3.0. If you are new to coding, don't worry. Think of Gemini 3 as your coding assistant. And if not coding, you can go for vibe coding also. It is a smart assistant which is going to help you in any way. So let's see the power of Gemini 3 in this particular video. Let's get started. Now Gemini 3 is said to be the best model not only for Google, among the entire AI models. Let's check it out what exactly things it can do. Now it has a lot of tools that are available, which includes creating images that is from Gemini 3 Pro, which is the latest version. You can create that up. Along with that, you have Canvas where we will build directly from this Gemini chat itself. Otherwise, we can go for Google AI Studio to build that up. So both options are okay, but this Google Gemini, it works a little bit faster to build the actual application. So we will try it from here also. If it doesn't work, then we will go to Google AI Studio for working with that. Along with that, you also have option for, guided learning and visual layout. I think VO3 was available here earlier, but I think they removed it or what, I don't know. We'll check it out. And along with that, you also have thinking model. You can go for quick answers too, and you can upgrade to Pro version also. So all these things are available. Let's start working with it. So I'll select here Canvas at first, and I'm going to start off by building a landing page, for which my prompt will be this: create a stunning, elegant landing page for a cozy, natural loving plant nursery named Green Soul Garden. Bringing plants and people together, capturing the essence of the business with a design that feels natural, warm. So I've given a little bit of description about how the landing page or how the website should be for a nursery, which I have given the brand name as Green Soul Garden. This is the basic prompt which I have given. Let's see what it builds for us. So I'll hit enter and see what happens. Okay, what's wrong? Something went wrong. Not a problem. We'll try the same prompt in our Google AI Studio, and it is going to use Gemini 3 Pro. So let's go for it. Let's start building here and see what happens. All right, the website is ready, and it didn't take long. Approximately 1-2 minutes it has taken, and it is giving us the design, and the code is, I think it's in Next.js, so which is quite okay. Let's check it now how it looks like. We have the option of full screen, which is actually quite good. And look at the design of this particular website. It doesn't look like a plant nursery, but let's check it out, because the images, actually it's not generating the proper images here. Some random images is being taken and it is going to pass that up. So that is a problem, but the website look and feel is good. It's not giving me the vibe of a plant nursery, but from design perspective, it is quite optimal. It's not working with the buttons are not working, I think. Okay, what's wrong? Let's reload it up. Okay, now it's opened up. Let's click anywhere. No, the click part is not working. That is another thing which we need to take care of. But we just have built a landing page, and according to the landing page, I think it's fine. The design is okay. But if you replace all of it with proper images of plants, I think it would look nice. Let me just try once whether it can do it or not. So I'll just minimize it and ask, please replace mock images with plants images related to a nursery. Let's check it out whether it can generate it or not. Let's try it out. I'll hit the prompt and see what it does. Okay, now it has generated some more images, but again, it's not relevant. It's not at all relevant. Earlier was at least better. Okay, I got some of the images of like plants, which is fine, but not all of them. So it's breaking a lot because we don't have proper images here. Apart from that, I think the design is quite good. So if you just go for prompting once or twice a bit more, and I think you can do that up, or you can pass your own images generating from Nano Banana. Coming from Nano Banana, well, let's try to generate some of the images with the help of Nano Banana. So I'll get rid of all of it and go for create images, or you can select it from directly tools also. Let me give some prompt. So I want a hyper realistic nighttime street in Tokyo, or let's go for Mumbai. Why to go for Tokyo? Okay, during rainfall, wet pavement, and neon signs in, I would say, English. So let's check it out what happens with this prompt, which I took it with the help of GPT. So GPT is quite good to provide all these things. So now let's try it out what happens after executing it up. Not bad, I would say. It has generated quite an image. Just check this out. Looking good. So much of detailing is being done here. Now let's try with one more prompt, which I'm passing it here. Let's see what happens. Just look at it. It's looking AI generated, but at least it's quite good. So I'm wondering, like for image generation, Gemini is awesome. The Nano Banana is awesome. You can just try to generate all the images from here and use it up as per your requirement. So just play along with it however you like, and you have all the options that are available. Let's try creating some videos. Okay, let's go for it. I'll describe and see what happens. And apart from that, you have other tools also, but we will check this out. So what I did is I asked ChatGPT to give me a proper prompt for a video. And I've told GPT to prepare a unique story for Tom and Jerry. That is what the prompt is. Now, look at this. Tom and Jerry Midnight Cookie Heist. So the story is as follows. You can simply check it out and understand, because I'm going to show you everything with the help of the video that it is going to generate for us. Let's check it out. What happens if I hit this particular prompt? It's going to be interesting. So it is saying it will take 1 to 2 minutes to generate the video. There is one more thing meanwhile I want to say is that you can generate websites or any design part or any functionality part just by sharing a proper video of the thing that you want to build. So basically, let's say if you want to build an Amazon website, then you simply go to Amazon and look at the design. Let's try it out. I would say I'll go for Myntra. That's a fashion store that is available, or we can go for Nike. I think that would be better. Let's go for Nike. Let's try this out. So Nike website looks like it, which is not that great, I would say. So instead of going for Nike, I will go for Decathlon website, which is I think okay to work with. So I want to take a video of it, and I'm going to say to Gemini to actually replicate this particular website. Let's see what it does. Meanwhile, let's check it out about the video which is being prepared here. Are you excited? I'm very much excited. So let's try it out. Okay.
Tonight the cookies are mine. Tonight the cookies are mine.
Not looking like Tom and Jerry characters, but I have not said that it should be the exact characters, which will be a copyright thing. But I'm happy with the preparation which it did. It generated a video, guys. It's not an easy task. With simple prompts, again, it's giving us a good result. I'm happy. Now coming back to the other thing, let's try out some other stuff here. Okay, start a new chat. Let's go for it. And what else can we do? We can go for deep research also. So let's go for it. Possible treatment for cancer using Ayurveda, which is Indian origin. Let's check it out what it gives us. So meanwhile it is giving us some result. I'm going to take a proper video of this. So I'm just going to take it, then I'm going to show you up. So this is the video which I have prepared, showing all the screens and everything. You can show a lot more things, but I'm just showing the landing screen or landing page, I would say. The entire page is being taken. Now I'm going to pass this particular video to our Gemini. So let me just upload files. So the video is selected. Build the exact website. Let's try it out what it does. And I should go for canvas here because it's going to show us the design and everything. If it doesn't work here, I will have to go to AI Studio to build this up. So I'll just open up AI Studio, and here I'm going to upload the file once again. So I've uploaded the file here and we'll pass the same prompt. Okay, so let's try this one first. If it works, then it's fine. Otherwise, I'm going to go ahead and build directly from the AI Studio. So it is doing some calculations and everything. It is planning everything. So wait for it to complete. Now you can see it is starting to build everything. Decathlon clone, which is good. And it is using React to do that up. It's going to be fine. Just use any stack. I'm okay with everything. Let's see what it does. So meanwhile that is being done, we will check our research work. So what it is saying here, okay, it's just doing the planning part. Okay, start researching. What was the plan? Research the Ayurvedic perspective on cancer, especially looking for terms. Okay, I just got disappeared. Like Granthi, okay, and Arbuda, okay, and the theory regarding Trishoda imbalance. So there are a lot of terms which even I don't know about, but it's okay. Let's see what it does. We are just testing it out. And meanwhile, our website is about to be built, or it's already done. Actually, it's done quite quick, right? So let's check it in full preview. How do I check it in full preview? Well, the option is not available, I think, here. If I click on share, I think I'll get the link and then I can open it up directly in another tab. So copy the link and I'll open it up here. Let's check it out. Okay, fine. This app was created by another person. It may be unsafe, be caution, and okay, fine. I'm okay with it. Just show me the design part, which I need to see. All right, this is the design which it built, and just look at it. All right, not bad. I would say it's quite good. Maybe little similar, not that similar, because if you just check this particular website, we have a banner and everything at the very beginning, which we don't have here properly. The design doesn't look the same. Just match it up. But we have the components available, which is a good thing. So I'm liking that particular part. We are getting some result out of it with just a single prompt that we have given. Not a single prompt also, we just pass the video. But I think I was expecting a bit more. Still I'm okay with the design which it is giving us, not the header part, which is ugly. I would say very, very ugly. I'm not expecting this dirty design from Gemini. But apart from that, the car design is fine. This particular design is also, I would say, okay. Some images are not generated, which is obvious. That's okay. I can accept that. Apart from that, this part is okay. Partner brands, okay, how it looks like in our Decathlon website. Let's check it out. Whether do they have it or not. Partner brands, it was looking good actually. But here, no, it's not that great. No images, nothing. Without images, website is very dull and dead. So I would say it's not even close, but some of the features it is able to build, which I'm okay with it. So it's fine. At least we are getting some result out of it. So in this particular manner, you can just test everything you want. And regarding the cancer treatment research work which we have done, it is giving us some result. You can simply check it out and understand. So just go ahead with this research work. I'm just scrolling. You can pause and check it out. But I'm okay with it. We just wanted to check it out. So this is the entire thing which is being done with the help of Gemini version 3. You can test a bit more. You can do a lot of competition also. It is quite good at solving bigger problems to some extent, I would say. So there are a lot of competition that is going on between Claude, Gemini and GPT. All of them are in race. So if you want a video on all three of them by comparing, I'm going to give the same prompt to all three and see what happens, how they react to everything. So it's going to be very interesting. So I'll just make a video on that too. Let me know in the comment section regarding that. Meanwhile, I'll show you one last thing. Let me go to my apps and I have, I think, something for you here. I actually built a Ludo game with the help of a Google AI Studio, or I would say Gemini version 3. So if you're unaware of how a Ludo game works, if you're an Indian, in Asia, possibly you will know all these games where there are dice available and you walk around with this particular chart. So this is the game which I build with simple prompt and some fixes which is being done throughout to actually generate this entire result. So just wanted to show that how complex queries also can be solved with the help of Gemini. So it was lacking few things, but now it is solved. Now look at this application where you can simply, so I got 6 and now it's green turn, then it's going to be blue's turn and then yellow. So this is my team. This is the CPU team. Let's go for it. Now I'll get 3. So until unless you get 6, nothing will work. So that's how the game is and it's almost working properly. So this is what Gemini can do. It can do a lot of things. So just explore it and understand the potential and use it in your own benefit. But again, I must say, don't rely completely on it. Your interference is must. You should know how to actually use it as your assistant and explore it to the maximum. With that being said, I'm going to wait for your comments and this is it for this video. Do let me know how you like this particular video. Make sure you hit the like button, do subscribe to the channel if you're new here. And thank you so much for watching. I'm going to see you next time.